Okay, so part B of this question is asking us for the probability of S given R. If you've got to do a conditional probability, the first thing to do is to write down the conditional probability formula that applies for this. Will, can you tell me what this is as the formula, please?
Probability of S union. No, not union, the other one.
Yep, S intersection R.
Intersection R.
And on the bottom?
Probability of R.
Yeah, that's right, okay. It's the intersection of them both on the top. It's the one after the line that goes on the bottom. Okay, now we've got a Venn diagram. What is the probability of S intersection R? 0.3. Probability of R, we just worked out 0.46. So that's the calculation we need to do. You can do that division, you get 0.652. Part C was off the top of the screen is not S given R. Lucy, can you tell me the formula, the equivalent of this one, for that one, please? Just copy this one here, but the S is that instead, S with a dash on it.
S dash, intersection R.
Yep.
And then R.
Yeah, that's right, okay. So, S dash not R, not in S, but in R. Well, we came across that before. It's this one here, not in S, but in R. So that's 0.16, it's this bit over here. Probability of R, we've used it before, 0.46. If you do that divide, I tell you get an answer of 0.348. And the final bit, what's off the top of the screen, was not S given not R. Sunny, can you do the formula bit for me, please? For this new one?
Is it the same as the top but with the dash for R? So probably not S, intersect not R, over not R.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Not S and not R. What bit of my Venn diagram is not S and not R?
It's the outside bit.
It's the outside bit, which I haven't actually got a number in yet. So if I add these numbers together, if I add those three numbers together, I get 0.76. So yeah, there must be 0.24 outside here. That came from 1 minus all the other numbers. So it's not in S and it's not in R as well, is 0.24. Not in R is 1 minus the R number, so that'll be 0.54 on the bottom. Do that divide, you get an answer of 0.444. So again, it's a theoretical probability question. If I just recap the main point, what I said there, if you're given conditional probabilities in the question, unpack them first of all, because you will be able to work out probably this intersection from it. Once you've got those intersections, you can then probably do a Venn diagram. When you've got the Venn diagram, the rest of it's probably fairly easy and straightforward.